I'm about 10-12 miles out of Barayan. Got myself a nice hotel there, and I'm exploring these mountain roads. This is what I wanted to do last time, but the weather sucked. Now I'm all geared up. This road is friggin' amazing. Man, this would be perfect for our movie project. It's really something else. I know there's many places like this in the Philippines, but it really is spectacular. The phone doesn't do it justice, but I get to enjoy it. I get to ride it. I'll mount my GoPro for a bit, take it up there.